If you own a healthcare practice that offers any kind of cash-based services and you provide SuperBills to your clients to send in self-claims, and you either offer or want to offer any kind of sliding scale discounts or friends and family discounts or anything like that, then there are some key things that you really need to know about how to create those SuperBills so that they can get reimbursement or submit self-claims for what they actually paid, and that you can stay in line with best practices as well as the laws in your state. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that means and how to do it right. Hello and welcome to this episode. My name is Jared Carter. I am a physical therapist. I've had a successful cash-based practice since 2010, and I'm the creator of the Private Pay Profit Formula. I help my colleagues just like you to create your own cash-based concierge or out-of-network practices so that you can end reliance on greedy health insurance companies, provide a level of care you are ultimately proud of, and regain control of your profits in your future. So if you're new here, I strongly suggest you subscribe to this channel because I put free trainings out like this all the time, and they always have a free resource associated with them designed to help you get results faster. And this is a great example of that. In this episode, we have our cash-based PT practice SuperBill template and out-of-network coverage guide. It literally gives you the roadmap of all the things you need to have on your SuperBills and a screenshot of exactly what our SuperBills look like in my practice. You can download yours completely for free at drjaredcarter.com/episode 43. Okay, let's get into it. So I've done a couple other videos on different components of SuperBills and out-of-network coverage. We'll link them here in this video as well as down below, so you can make sure you check those out. And every time I do, more questions come up. I recently did one on how to reflect on SuperBills proper package discounts. If you sell packages and then you have discounts on those packages, how you provide those, when you provide them, all those details. So check that out if you do that. But then the question of, hey, what about friends and family discounts? What about sliding scale discounts? And look, I'm not here to argue or make a case for in one way or the other. If you want to make a case for whether or not you think that we should be providing sliding scale discounts, please feel free to get involved in that conversation in the comments below. But if you are, it's pretty simple and straightforward. It's in line with the way we reflect discounts for packages and other components of other videos that I've described that. So for those who haven't watched those videos, I'll go ahead and start fresh here by first saying that your charge per CPT code or procedural code cannot change. It should not change regardless of discount, regardless of the type of patient you're seeing. It should always be the same. So if I'm seeing somebody and providing an hour of service at 4 different CPT codes, and I've got a manual therapy, a Therex, and 2 neuro-re-eds, the price per CPT code is the same for them as it is for all other SuperBills where those CPT codes are used in my practice. So for example, just for simple math, let's say I was charging $200 for an hour, 4 codes, $50 per code adds up to $200. That stays the same no matter what. Now let's say we're providing what we call in my practice mates rates, but a friends and family discount or a sliding scale discount. What you're going to need to do is you're still going to have all of your CPT codes listed at the same price as for everyone else who isn't getting a discount, and that's going to add up to your subtotal for that date of service. And then depending on your software, how you can do it, you can either do a line item discount per date of service that takes off the amount that you're giving them a discount, for that appointment. Or let's say you have multiple dates of service on the same SuperBill and it doesn't allow you to do a line item discount on each date of service, but at the bottom you can do that. Then you can just add up the total number or the total amount of the discounts you're providing for all of those dates of service, and then add it as one line item discount at the bottom, bringing the subtotal into the discounted total. So if that's confusing at all, if you want to see an example of that, again, go to drjaredcarter.com/episode 43, scroll down and get that free download. You'll get a screenshot of exactly how that works, as well as a list of other components of what needs to be on there. The NPI number, not just the dates of service, but the location of service, EIN numbers, all that kind of stuff is included in there. After this, I'm going to be doing a video for another question that came up on this is, what if I'm a mobile practice, or what if I provide mobile services And I also provide in-clinic services, and obviously the charge per appointment is different between those. What do we do there? So we're going to be addressing that in a future video. But for now, if you have any questions on this topic of sliding scale discounts, friends and family discounts, any kind of discount at all, or if you want to chime in on whether or not you think we should be providing discounts, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you all, as always, for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.